This is the animal shelter. There are lots of pets to adopt here. Dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters, guinea pigs, budgies, and fish. This is the good family. They want to adopt a pet. Which one will they choose? How about a dog? Dogs are great pets. They can go for walks, they can play games in the park, they can fetch and carry things.
Dogs are terrible pets. They can jump on your bed and bark all night. How about a rabbit? Rabbits are fun pets. They can jump and hop. They can skip and run. They can stand on two legs and wiggle their ears. Rabbits are terrible pets. They can go into the garden and eat your vegetables.
How about a snake? Snakes are cool pets. They can climb and slide. They can be very small or very tall. They can also scare your friends.
Snakes are terrible pets. They can bite you and swallow you whole.
Help! Help! Stop that cat!
How about a cat? Cats are perfect pets. They can walk and run. They can jump and climb. They can play games and scare mice. Cats are the best pets. Now, what name will we choose?